Hello everyone, my name is Keshav and I'm basically from Bangalore, Karnataka. I have completed my engineering in Global Academy of Technology in the year 2020. After my graduation, I started working at Seaton India Private Limited, which is a client location, under the payroll company Innovative Digitech Service. In Seaton India, my day begins with checking of emails, checking the ticket status, and other informations on mail. Coming to my team consists of a two desktop engineer, one service desk, one admin, and one manager. Along with the team, we can handle approximately 165 plus systems and users. On the daily basis, I have attended and resolved approximately 10 to 15 tickets per day. As a desktop support engineer, I can handle all types of hardware troubles and failures like Windows error, MS Outlook issues, and other network related issues. Applications and software configurations, domain joining, user new user profile creations, and other basic server related issues, troubleshooting of printers and configurations. The tickets which are assigning for me on the daily basis are mostly on operating system error like BSOD error, system hanging, internet connectivity issues, and some other users who are not able to access some website due to an antivirus issues. And some issues are like installing the operating systems in Outlook, PhD backup and new PhD creations, and email backup, email outgoing and incoming error. Like coming to the operating systems which are used in our companies are Windows 10 Pro and Windows Server 2016. Like I'm looking for a job change as my contract with the company is getting over, and also for my career growth. My salary in this company was 12,400 per month, and I hold an experience of 1.2 years as a desktop support engineer. And my salary expectation with this company is as per the company norms, which is suitable for this profile. And yes, I want to see myself as a cloud administration by upcoming years. I have goals like my short term goal is to join your organization for better learning and growth of myself as well as organizations. My long term goal is, as I said, I want to see myself as a cloud admin and security specialist. Coming to my strengths are adaptability and ability to work under pressures, and I'm a quick learner and a good team player. Coming to my weakness are hesitation on the stage fear sometimes. Like I concentrate on one thing at a time. And finally, I think I am suitable for this job position which is open in your organization. And since I'm an hard worker professional, I assure that I would be a assist for your reputed company. And yes, I don't have any problem with to relocate the different locations and any shifts. If I got selected, I can join immediately to the job and job locations. Thank you.